Hello everyone! Welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy. I am glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use ASL to worship God. So this week we're working on I Know a Man Who Can by the Cathedrals. We have already learned all the different parts. So day 1 we did verse 1, then the chorus, then verse 2. Today we are going to walk through the whole thing top to bottom and practice. And then tomorrow we're going to do it with the music. Housekeeping as always, remember I am left-handed. If you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Below this video in the description, you will find links to print out the lyrics as well as a link to purchase the song. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss any of your future favorites, or if you find the channel difficult, you can find all the tutorials at our website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, let's start. I can't take a heart that's broken and make it new again, but I know a man who can. I can't take a soul that's sin sick, wash it white, white as snow, but I know a man who can. Okay, and then on to the chorus. Some call him Jesus. Or sorry, I apologize. Some call him Savior, Redeemer of all men. I call him Jesus, for he's my closest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. Okay, and now moving on to verse 2. I can't walk on water. I can't calm the raging sea, but I know a man who can. I can't cause blinded eyes to be opened or the lame to get up and walk again, but I know a man who can. Okay, and then we finish with the chorus again. Some call him Savior, Redeemer of all men. Remember, we do everyone there. I call him Jesus, for he's, oh, this is a little different, my closest and dearest friend. Close, just rub one fist. It's just like every, but you just do one. Close, okay? My closest and dearest friend. If you think that no one loves you and your life is out of hand, I know a man who can. And then it repeats that line. I know a man who can. And then there's some different people singing different parts, but you can do it one more time. I know a man who can. Okay? And that's the entire song, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. We're gonna do it with the music. See you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.